Welcome to TriggerTube. Today we're going to be talking about radios and intercoms. We want to give a huge shout out to our friends over at PCI Race Radio. They're the industry leader in off-road communications. Anything that you see here you can find on their website or through one of their dealers on their dealer locator, which is also on their website. Once again, PCI Race Radios, everything from radios, handheld to in the car, and intercom systems, and a plethora of other products for all your off-road needs. So let's get started. We've got the ICOM 50-watt business band radio. This comes pre-programmed with all of your favorite frequencies: Weatherman, BFG pits, BFG relay, Baja pits, everything you need there. Or you can program your own frequency for your friends so you can have your own live chat on the trail and no one else can hear you. Great radio, 50 watts, lots of power. So when you're out in Moab and you're cruising down Cane Creek, you can actually talk to your friends back in town with that amount of power. Next, we've got the Trax intercom system, which is the only intercom system on the market that gives you true stereo sound. It's also Bluetooth equipped, which is awesome, so you can listen to your favorite T-Swift song cruising down the trail. It's got this awesome little dongle if you want to hook up a 3.5 mini jack, so you can plug in right into your headphone jack on your phone and listen to music right in your intercom. What's the intercom used for? If you've got a headset with a microphone or a helmet equipped with a microphone and earphones in it, so you can talk to one another in the car or talk through your microphone through the radio. Great for buggies, great for side-by-sides, great for race vehicles. Once again, the ICOM 50 watt and the Trax intercom system. My favorite feature about the Trax, it's got digital sound processing. So if you've got a loud vehicle like me, it'll process out wind noise and engine noise and quiet all that down, so you don't have a bunch of mumbo jumbo going on in the helmet. So how easy is it to wire this stuff up? So we've got two of our 8-foot extensions that come with the trigger controller. We've got our Trigger 6 shooter wired up to our favorite Optima yellow top. Shout out to Optima for always providing us with a great product to use for these demonstrations. And for safety's sake and demonstration purposes, not necessarily safety's sake, I'm going to go right into it. I've got these 8-foot extensions wire nutted, right up to our intercom, power and ground. Hook it up there. Don't ever wire nut your stuff for off-road use unless you want to burn to the ground. So we'll plug the radio in real quick. And then we'll plug in our intercom real quick, hooked up, power and ground. And we've got power on both of them. It's that easy. Power and ground, plug it into the box, done wiring. The hardest part about this is these components go inside the vehicle. So unlike the trigger where you don't need to run wires to the firewall, you need to run these wires outside of the vehicle into the underhood compartment or wherever your battery and trigger is mounted to get power. But that's how easy it is. Once again, shout out to our friends at PCI Race Radios. See you on the trail.